Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to describe the line graph showing change in amount and type of fast food consumed by Australian teenagers between uh, 1925 and uh, 2000. Overall, the graph show that the consumption of hamburger and pizza increased significantly over the period, while the consumption of fish and chips decreased after reaching a peak. In in 1925, 75, fish and chips were the most popular fast food among Australian teenagers with about 100 times eaten per year. During the same years, hamburger comes at around 10 times per year, while pizza was the less popular at approximately 5 times per year. From 1975 to 1985, the consumption of fish and chips increased and reached a peak of about uh, 100 times per year. However, after 1985, it began to decline steadily and fell around for uh, 40 times per year by 2000. On the other hand, hamburger consumption rose dramatically during the period in skirt from about 10 times per year in 1975 to approximately 100 times per year in 2000, making it the most popular fast food at the end of the period. Similarly, pizza consumption also showed a steady increase. It rose from about 5 times per year in 1975 to around 85 times per year in 2000. In in conclusion, Australian teenagers gradually changed their eating habits between uh, 1975 and 200. Hamburger and pizza became increasingly popular, while fish and chips lost popularity over time. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.